once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. And first of all, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share my videos. So today we came my auntie home to have food. Since yesterday they were calling us but we cannot come, so for that today we came, my auntie, me, my brother and my cousin. So let us have food. In their home, many fruits trees they have, like orange trees, mosambi trees and mango, lychee, jackfruit, everything available here. And here you can see how big they were. It was giving fruit very nicely. They are planting in their home area only. You can see this is mosambi, already almost ripe, yellow. It was turning. It was very big in camera, that's why it could not record as much. I look very dark and black, full of sweat.
A few moments later.
Suddenly it was raining. Now we are trying to go home. Hello friends, atun in kan kirta bukan ne auta kani khop sera de nom khano kani sol hakon kam khom kan nai nong te karen ngai khom mang nong te kan kirta tun kan khosung den ar suk la thatra And here, as soon as after reaching home, directly I was meeting with my small brother. He was waiting for us. He told we will bring some eatables for him, but we could not bring because so we are close. Only one biscuit because we cannot eat. We don't have kids. So, and here I'm going to end my vlog. And thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next vlog. Bye.